Hi there, welcome to this Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about find and replace option in Microsoft Word. When you are working with longer documents, it can be difficult and time consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. Word can automatically search your document using find feature, and it allows you to quickly change words or phrases using replace option. First, we are going to learn about how to find text in a document. In our example, we have written an academic paper and we will be using the find command to locate all instances of a particular word. The first step is to go to the find command under the home tab. Alternatively, we can also press Ctrl F from the keyboard. The navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Now we have to type the text that we want to find in the field at the top of the navigation pane. In our example, we are going to write floor. If the text is found in the document, it is highlighted yellow and a preview of the result will appear in the navigation pane. Alternatively, you can also click one of the results to directly jump into it. When you are finished, click the cross to close the navigation pane. The highlights will disappear. Now we are going to learn how we can replace a text in the document. At times, you may discover that you have made a mistake repeatedly throughout your document, such as misspelling a person's name or that you need to exchange a particular word or phrase for another. You can use the words find and replace feature to quickly make revisions. In our example, we will be using the find and replace option to change a misspelling in our document. You can see that the word floor is misspelled and it is repeating again and again in our document. To change this word, let's use the replace option in Microsoft Word. For this purpose, I have to go to the replace command under the home tab. Alternatively, I can also press Ctrl H from my keyboard. This will open find and replace dialog box in front of me. Now I have to type the text that I want to replace, that is floor, and then I have to write the word with which I want to replace this word, that is floor, F-L-O-U-R, and now I have to click the find next. The word will find the first instance of the text and highlight it in gray. I will review the text to make sure that I want to replace it. In our example, I want to replace this, so I will click the replace and it moves to the next instant automatically. Alternatively, you can click replace all to replace every instance of the text throughout the document. So if I click replace all, you can see that it is telling me that it has replaced 19 instances in this document. When you are done, click the close or cancel to close the dialog box. When it comes to using replace all, it's important to remember that it could find matches you didn't anticipate and that you might not actually want to change. You should only use the option if you are absolutely sure it wouldn't replace anything you don't intend it to do it. That's it from today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you find this tutorial helpful and consider subscribing to our channel for more Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.